Hey guys, today's video is going to be super exciting. What I wanted to do was to do something different from my usual Dollar Tree haul. I wanted to take you guys into Dollar Tree and show you some of my favorite products. So let's go. Their handmade cards are some of the best cards that I've ever seen. Right now they have Mother's Day, which has already passed, and graduation. Their gift bags are my absolute favorite. You need to come here because they are just $1 and they have some of the cutest bags you will ever find. You get yourself to Target and you'll pay at least over $3. They have them for every occasion, just regular celebrate, wedding, and even baby showers. These blind toy bags have quickly become some of my favorites, and you can get all kinds. Here are Transformers, and then you can collect them. These are worth a lot in different stores. Here are some that I've recently hauled. These little mini collectible doos. And they are made from the Beanie Baby company, and they are $1 at the dollar store. Wherever you go inside the store, they always have superhero stuff, Disney stuff, you name it, My Little Pony. They've got it all and all kinds of things. Here is a play pack. It's a grab and grow surprise game. This isn't one single item, but it's a section, but it's the book section at Dollar Tree. Sometimes you just find the best gems ever. Definitely go through it, check it out. Candy creations, you get a lot of awesome recipe books, romance novels, life lessons from a cat, folks. Dear Emma, don't know what that is. Breast cancer, chicken soup for the soul, and more recipes, and even some of the best children's books, which I buy all the time for my niece. Like, look how cute this one is. I'm gonna get this. Coloring books. I love coloring books, and I have found some of my absolute favorites from this store. They have some really good ones for adults, but also if you just love coloring, get yourself a cute coloring book. Homeschooling your children, or you want to get your teacher a great gift this year, stock up on some things from the Teaching Tree section at Dollar Tree. They have so much. They have learning books. They have classroom decor. She can make a whole wall of stuff, little prize, certificates, things to put on the back of chairs. Are you kidding me? All $1. Writing prompts. They have some fun magnet erasers, dice games, puzzle pieces, borders. This is why it's my favorite store. Envelopes. I always get my envelopes here. There's no need for me to get them anywhere else. They work just as fine. They have the security lining. I've never bought my envelopes anywhere else. Look out for these. These are the best. They have the peel and stick. Sometimes they're in stock, sometimes they're not. Going in my basket. These Fastener Dots have taken me through so many crafts and planner spreads, etc. These Fastener Dots are amazing. They have a sticky back, and then of course they fasten together. If you want to make any type of closure or stick something to like the inside of a binder, these are so great and they hold so well. Yes, I'm at the Dollar Tree. They have these Chalkboard tag clothespins, and they even have other things like chalkboard tags like this, and they've made them in shapes like hearts and squares. Super cute, especially if you're gonna do like a little breakfast bar or a pasta bar or a taco bar. These are gonna be great for an outdoor summer party to label each of your stations. This whole section, I'm obsessed with this whole section. Like, I don't even know where to start. You can get $1 scissors and paper clips and thumbtacks and magnetic tins that can stick to your fridge, cute pencils, erasers, staplers, mini staplers. What are these? These are new. Pom-pom magnets. I'm getting them. Are you gonna clean out and do a garage sale? Get yourself some garage sale labels at Dollar Tree. They even have the garage sale signs that you can stick out in your yard in your community. and there you go. I have found some amazing movie gems, so do not skip out on the DVDs here. New Moon, you got Ice Age. There's just so much in here. It's definitely a gem. Top Gear. They have some of the best farmhouse decor that you don't even have to DIY if you are not into that. These are so cute, you can hang them in your house, and they have different styles as well. These have also popped up on DIYs on my channel, but they are the poster stickers in the numbers. This would be really cute for farmhouse DIYs to label things in the numbering system, and $1, folks. If you've never watched my videos before, let me tell you, I'm obsessed with the Dollar Tree candles. Here are some of the new ones that I found today. They are so beautiful, so chic. Look how gorgeous the tops are. This like wood, and they smell great. And I know they're small, but they burn forever. This black loofah is brand new. It's so chic and absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna get another one, and I've never seen them before, but look at this spa section. Loofahs are just $1. If you go to Target, they're at least 2 or 3. These I've seen as super popular on TikTok. Shampoo Massagers for the head. People are buying them off of Amazon. They're $1 at the dollar store, and they come in multiple colors. Pink, green, purple. There's even a blue back here. These are selling like hotcakes. As you can see, this whole section is pretty much empty. Bolero is selling these products that they package just like this, which looks so incredibly cute, and it's a dupe to something I can't remember. I think I've seen it at Target. And hello, look how gorgeous these are, and you can put these into a gift basket, and they are just so stunning. I absolutely love finding new stuff at Dollar Tree. Every time I come in here, there's something new, and this is an example. Spa April Bath and Shower, which is a brand that's here all the time, put out this charcoal soap and sponge in one. What? This product is amazing. I've gotten them multiple times, and my daughter has even stolen one from me before. It's awesome, goes under your eyes, it's so soothing, plus there's no alcohol in it. Did you know that you can buy Jade Rollers at the dollar store for $1? One of my favorite things to always search for every time I come in this store are face masks. This one is absolutely brand new, and it's a must. Already going in my cart. They have so many beauty products that I could do one whole video just about that, but let me show you this one. This is LA Colors Setting Spray on the Go. You throw this in your purse. Are you kidding me? This is awesome. This shaving cream is the best. I've been buying this stuff for years for my daughter. It also comes in a pink, which I forget, I think it's raspberry, and I think the purple is lavender. It's so creamy and it's very nice. These dish racks are a must for $1. I actually use them to store individually my dish pads that I lay, I forget what it's called, but you lay it on top of your counter and then you let your dishes dry on top of it. And it's also great to store makeup palettes. I honestly think that I lost count on how many were my favorites because I could just keep doing videos like these all the time. So definitely thumbs up if you want more, and I can do targeted sections like spa, beauty, planner supplies, DIY supplies, and I've done a lot of favorites in the past as well. I'll link those videos down below, but that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.